everyone. The Florida State Assembly is excited for CSTs from across the nation to join us in the city beautiful, Orlando, Florida, for the 2025 AST National Conference, June 5th through the 7th.
We are so thrilled to have you, our incredible community of surgical technologists, join us in Orlando, the city for everyone, where if you can imagine it, you can experience it.
Orlando is the perfect place to mix learning, networking, and fun. Between the world's class attractions and vibrant energy, that's why Orlando is unbelievably real.
This conference isn't just about gaining knowledge. It's a celebration of your hard work and dedication to exceptional patient care.
So, take this opportunity to connect with peers, exchange ideas, and recharge in sunny Florida. Make it your destination for little adventure and professional growth.
Let's make this week unforgettable with meaningful discussions, innovative sessions, and maybe even a little Disney magic.
And don't forget to take a moment to explore Orlando, whether it's theme parks, restaurants, or just soaking in that Florida sunshine.
On behalf of the Florida State Assembly of Surgical Technologists, we welcome you with open arms and warm hearts to the city beautiful, Orlando, Florida. Let's make this conference one to remember.
Because we are surgical stars, and together we shine.